friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Paratha is one thing that we all love to have for breakfast. So today I am preparing one very healthy, very nutritious soyabean paratha recipe, a different paratha from usual aloo or paneer paratha. It's very simple to make, so let's quickly see how to prepare it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll soak soyabean or soya chunks in hot water. We'll soak it for a few minutes. Now we need to knead dough. For this, in a bowl, we'll take 1 cup of flour. This is whole wheat flour. Into this, we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. We are adding oil so that the dough becomes soft. And now we'll just add enough water and we'll need a soft dough. And our dough is ready. We'll allow the dough to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After soaking, you will see that the soya chunks will become absolutely soft. Now we'll squeeze in this excess water and we'll transfer all the soya chunk in a mixer grinder jar. After that, we need to grind our soft and soaked soya chunks. After grinding, you will get something like this. If you do not have soya chunks, then you can even use soya granules. Just soak it in the similar way and then there is no need to grind it. Now let's prepare stuffing for our paratha. For this, in a pan, we'll heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Into this, we'll add cumin seeds or jeera. Next, we'll add chopped onions into it. Into this, we'll add few chopped curry leaves. You can even add coriander leaves. Let the onions turn little brown. Also, we'll add chopped ginger. We'll add salt, little red chili powder, little more. Earlier we had added Kashmiri degi mirch and this is the red chili powder. In goes garam masala, coriander powder and turmeric. And now we need to cook all the spices. Once the spices are cooked, we'll add our mashed soya granules. And now we need to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So friends, our stuffing for the paratha is ready. Now we'll allow it to cool down a bit and then we'll start to make our parathas. Now let's start to prepare our parathas. For this, we'll take a ball of the dough. We'll roll it out and we'll stuff it with our soya chunks stuffing. Just ensure that it is completely covered and then we'll just roll out the paratha like the usual stuffed paratha we make. So likewise, we'll roll out all other parathas. So we'll heat a tawa and we'll cook a paratha. Once the paratha is cooked from one side, we'll flip it over. Drizzle a little oil. Flip it over and cook it. Drizzle a little more oil. This is a very nutritious and power-packed paratha. Soyabean, we all know, is high on protein. So if your kids do not like to eat soyabean, then this is a perfect way to serve soyabean to them. Cook it from both the sides and our soyabean paratha is ready. Likewise, we'll cook all other parathas. So our nutritious paratha is ready. We'll cut it into 2 pieces. And just look at this lovely stuffing inside. A nutritious healthy paratha which we have prepared today. So let me open it and show you this lovely stuffing inside. A very healthy, very nutritious soyabean paratha. You will truly like it. Friends, so our nutritious, very healthy soyabean parathas are ready to serve. You can serve it with curd, pickle of your choice. I'm sure your family will really like it. So friends, do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. Friends, I hope you liked watching our today's video. Give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.